do you think? What do you think?
No, come on, not everybody wants kisses here.
What do you
Colby.
Oh, he's so cute. Yeah.
Yeah, you can stay with me. That's fine. There you go. Oh,
Honey, you doing video?
Yeah.
We're gonna put you on YouTube.
what do you think?
Who's that? Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
What do you think of that, Casey? There.
What do you
Colby?
think, Colby?
All right.
Such a
All
good
right. Good job. Oh, you got his tongue. Oh, you got his tongue.
Don't tell your mother, Colby. You'll be in deep trouble.
Oh, nice doggy.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get a doggy now.
We've already ordered you one.
Yeah, it's okay. Just because you don't get a turn.
Gentle, gentle, gentle. It's just too exciting.
Yeah.
It's too exciting. Yeah. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay.
Oh no.
That's enough.
Oh no.
Yeah, you need to get Casey some